Why hello, Toronto. This is your chiropractor, Dr. Leo. Check out today's epic adjustment that involves using different tools, some patient education, adjusting spines, as well as other parts.
Like, why is it so much more sensitive than this?
This is where the bone is out, that's where the disc is damaged, and then pushing on the nerve and pushing it back in. Time for the pubic bone. And push out. Cool. And push in. So lift up for one. Hi. Yep.
Hey, Toronto, you'll always get the adjustment you need from me.